Hey, Juha Kurvinen here from Finland and FinSkill, and today I'm going to show you all amazing bonuses of the viral list building system, what pays you instant 100% commissions. It's called List Infinity, and I have also one amazing extra bonus, Roadmap to Success ebook. What this value is $97. When you use my affiliate link, you get also that bonus. But first of all, what is List Infinity? I have been now member about 2 months and I get amazing results. Oh, there's some fly. I get some amazing results and right now about 2 or 3 sales per 1 week. And what is great about List Infinity is that it pays you instant commissions to your PayPal or Stripe, and actually they add some new payment options. There's PayPal, credit card, Cash App, Bitcoin, Zelle, Wise, Payoneer, Venmo, and many more. And anyway, in any online business, we need email list. And what is great because with this system, you can start your own passive income really easily because you get 15 amazing landing page and all your funnel, and you can start it really easily to build your email list. And there's done for you email campaign, also 30 ready-made professional written emails, and also step-by-step training, and also other income streams, and all promotion tools. But this is the main page of List Infinity, and people sharing results in our group, Facebook group. There is over 5,000 members, and daily people share amazing results. Some of them here. But let's go to the main point about those amazing bonuses, because when you buy List Infinity Pro, what is just $100 one-time fee, it's like you own digital property because you just pay once and then you can resell it again and again. So here's in any business, the most important thing is first landing page, and we don't have to build them by ourselves because these pages, there's many different and really professional, and also working with the mobile devices. But hey, like I promised, bonuses. Value of this basic bonuses is $582 plus my extra bonus $97. So there is free Facebook traffic strategies. With this online workshop, you can learn how to change your Facebook profile to money making machine, and how to make generate leads by using Facebook. Then instructions. If your goal is to get $10,000 a month, training about that, uh, 12 video modules, ebook, and cheat sheet. And I checked that it was amazing. I think, yeah, this workshop is worth of that $100. If you use TikTok, this is great TikTok marketing workshop, and YouTube authority $97, Instagram marketing secrets, and about the mindset training, reprogram your mind for success. What is the most important in any online business is your own attitude. I have seen in some reason now, just 2 months in this business, that I have learned that some people don't succeed because they think that there's some kind of miracle button, that they don't have to work anything and they just press something and money comes. And life doesn't work like this. We have to learn new things. We have to do right actions. For example, if you want to learn how to dance flamenco, you cannot be master immediately, or how to cook some Thai coconut wok. You need to learn the recipe first. So same in anything in life. So when you learn about this, then every week and every day you come better and better. Also, there is some hotel vouchers to 125 exotic locations when you get the pro level. And it's really simple to use. Just three steps. Set up the system, select the lead page, and promote your link. That's it. And with this system, if you want to start your online business, you save so much time. I was struggling 4 years. I tried whatever programs, and List Infinity was the first one that I get it. I set up my funnel, and now when you get your email list and it's already done, then you can add other products to same funnel and start to generate leads and sales from different products. That is the whole point. How this works? There is three levels: starter level, advanced level, and pro level. When you join starter level, it's $25. Then you start to get 100% commissions instantly about starter level sales. And advanced level, it's $50, and then you get all commissions from 25 and 50. And every level you have more training and more everything. And pro level, that's great idea, because then I took immediately pro level and make the first pro sale in first day. So then it's paid already. So 100, then you get all commissions from 25, 50, and 100 sales. And all training and everything is then unlocked. And hey, this extra bonus, I want to show this. When you join by using my link, this roadmap to success ebook, where it's all secrets and all tools what you ever need to make money online. And yeah, now we are back. Some miracle. So roadmap to success. You will get this, and there is every steps and tools what you need to make passive income online, and you save years of your time. And right now it seems, in some reason, internet connection is slow. So I will add every info down the description, and you will get this book also. Now it opened. Roadmap to Success: How to Create a Completely Automated and Duplicatable New Member Follow-up System. And this is amazing, because all tools and all steps are already here, so you will save a lot of time. So these are my bonuses, and I want to also show you this training. So this is back office of List Infinity. System setup, lead capture pages. And this is great, because if we go here, you save so much time. You just copy paste this, your what you want to use, and test what is best for you. In some reason, this landing page works best for me. And then your funnel is ready. After setup, there is you can also add your own affiliate programs if you have your own what you are promoting right now to back office. You can find promotion tools, statistics. So here, this bonuses, starter training. There's so much. Basically, all you need to start your business is List Infinity. There is a success mindset, email list secrets, power of execution, Facebook marketing plan, solo ad secrets, solo ad Rolodex. In advanced training, we have modern email marketing, list building, profit kit, social media income, Instagram marketing, also some information, cryptocurrency secrets if you want to reinvest your profits. And that's great, because what I use, my secret, how I get the fast results, when I get any sale, let's say $100 pro sale, I always reinvest at least 20% to new fresh traffic. some solo ads or something like that, then it's like a snowball effect. All right, pro training. There's evergreen lead business, free Facebook marketing, YouTube marketing, TikTok marketing, 10K blueprint, Facebook group, unleash it, and big ticket machine if you want to make high ticket sales. So I think this value, if you think you take pro level, and what I like about List Infinity is the fact that we can start to make immediately results while we're building our list. And here is also some most frequently asked questions. And what else is in my mind? Yeah, I highly recommend this system, and I want to tell you that many people think that, okay, if I start this, that then I just promote List Infinity or help people with List Infinity. It's not true. The secret is that any online business need landing pages and email list anyway. So when we build that list, we start immediately making results, and then later we can promote whatever other program what we are using to that same list, that we can generate more sales from many different income streams. So, hey, if you want to learn how to make passive income, side hustle, please subscribe to my channel. And now I have been working remote laptop lifestyle 5 years, and all best tools what I have found you can find there, and also link the first link there is it's coming to List Infinity. When you first there is a landing page, when you add your name and email, next page you can see some information about me, then you can then you go to List Infinity main page, and also you get like 2 week free email training from me, like what steps I made that I made immediately results. And also then you can get this the roadmap to success ebook as my own personal bonus. So hey, thanks for watching, and if any questions about List Infinity or making money online, please comment and I will answer. Thanks for watching. See you later, alligator.